Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes.
Prep and moisturize your skin before you apply your makeup. This will definitely help your foundation stay on and also keep your face moisturized and hydrated. I'm taking my wax-based brow pomade and just applying that to my eyebrows, keeping it natural. The reason why I'm using a wax-based product is because I want it to last long, and on top of that, it's waterproof. And then I'm just gonna go over it with the pencil so that it just sets everything in place. Now it's time for Norvina's Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited to use this. I'm starting off with the color Love, and I'm just going to apply that to my natural crease and just blend it out with the fluffy brush that came in the palette. I have to say, Anastasia's eyeshadow palettes have never failed me because it's so buttery smooth when you apply it on, and it's so pigmented. For the price point that you're getting for the products, it's amazing. Now I'm taking Passion and I'm just going to be defining my outer V of my eyes and the inner of my eyes to help smoke it out and make it more defined. This eyeshadow palette is definitely ideal for when I do travel around the world because it does have a brush, all the colors I need. I have nothing to worry about with this palette. It's just amazing. The reason why I apply it to the inner corners of my eyes as well is because it helps sharpens up the inner part of my eyes to make it look nice and crisp. Now I am taking rose gold and just applying it to the clean areas of my eyes to help give it some shimmer. Then I'm taking Dreamer and just applying it to the inner corners to help brighten up my whole eye. Now I'm just lining my eyes accordingly. Make sure you keep your liner thin because you definitely want the eyeshadows to show.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Come in just
Now taking Passion and just line the lower liner so that it can pretty much balance out. Curl your lashes and get ready for mascara and false lashes. I'm using my Ardell Wispy lashes and I just doubled it up for some heavy dramatic look.
just like a spark that's breaking out.
Taking my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 220, I'm just going to be using a damp beauty blender and applying it to my face. Now I'm using my Master Conceal by Maybelline and just dotting it underneath my eyes, around my lips, and on top of my nose and my forehead, and just blend it out with that beauty blender again. Don't forget to set your face with a setting powder to help your foundation last all day long. Now with my favorite bronzer, I'm just going to apply that to the sides of my face and underneath my chin and all over my face to pretty much help define and make my face look more sculpted. For all you ladies out there, I recommend you to keep this in your daily routine because contouring just a little bit makes a huge difference in your makeup routine. Don't forget to contour your nose. You definitely want to make it look taller and skinnier, like you just had a nose job without the surgery. Now with my Tarte lipstick in Obsessed, I'm just going to apply it to my lips and just go over it with a nude lip to kind of help soften it up. And that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely am obsessed with the Norvina's palette, and I will be doing another tutorial with the palette once I play around with some more colors. I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for more.